Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Just hold up, man. I'm not just clap for when you clap for me tire. You don't understand? They go clap. They go clap tire. Cause I go rap. Oh no, DJ. See, they go clap. They go clap tire. Cause I go rap. I go rap tire. You think you are hot? I'm a off your damn fire. Cause mosquitoes suck blood. No me say I'm vampire. And again. Every now and then, jump on me, to pass on up when I go to lap up. Feel that? This African must flow. And I go back my money with it. Listen, when they meet the cow, we can shake on the soul. Oh, what me tempo, I can feel it in my soul. So I have to reap the fruit of the seed that I sow. Because I need to back the Jewa, all the don't call that soul. Big shout out to DJ Jerry Jan, I see you in the mix. You know, big shout out to all the DJs that came out to show support. Big shout out to everybody here, man. You guys are all looking amazing and beautiful. Hey, my dog, bullshit. This was the guy that believed in me back in Coco Lounge. You know, he was the one that made me know my boss Shinopella. You know, because without him, I wouldn't even be able to perform in his presence, man. To be honest, you guys don't understand. You guys think that this is a joke. This is our show, Baba. Everyone will see show to my watch us again. Because lyrically, I will lay one line on the bed. Swap. What's up for you, baby? Not only what you jump up, because it's not sort of come. And my good J, it's too loud. Okay. So, Feba be dancing. No! So, can you do more? This is our show. I'm going to show the incoming. See, I mean, our Apula record store anniversary. Oh, so, like, Chelsea. John Mom, okay, wait, hold up. I'm not done yet now, Bababi. Keep the crow stage. This is not a go-there show. This is our own show, the Federal Palace. Okay. Number one, they will never ballast. One line, they may not do the stage. Hold up. DJ. Johnny Makana. Ah. Yeah. The party never can I play a film. You don't sort out paper from Columi. Don't sort out come here, my G. Bro. No, I'm here to have fun. When I climb the chair, everybody feel free. Feel free. No, but everybody climb chair. Adeboy, Ewo, I want bust. Be Ewo, kilo ko deaf and dog, Belaliwo. Pikin wey no sabi talk, wey no sabi call baba still dey learn talk. Olosho wey no fit twerk still dey learn work. Agabas mo kì í ṣe photo ní network. Ṣakuṣaku. Lórí mic àwọn ni jàgídíjàgan. You know they sell gun, but I'm Yo, man. Me, I'm happy, about any other person. I'm happy, man. This is our anniversary. Big shout out to you, my boss, Shina Pella. Big shout out to the wonderful wife. I love you, man, to be honest, boss, no disrespect, but I love your wife, honestly. She's amazingly beautiful, you know. And she's the best manager, man, trust me. You know, I'm not here to have fun, man. God bless everybody. I go by the name of Phase One. You know, God bless you guys. God bless. All right, get it up for Phase One. Ladies and gentlemen, back to back, Mr. Real Lego.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.